Hi guys, here we are. It's just me today. William's out and about doing his thing, working away. So we are getting ready for our trip for Vegas. So I thought we needed new luggage. So that's what we did. I ordered some luggage the other day off a trusty Amazon, and it came in. So it's here. This is what we got. It's kind of funny because as you can see, the box is totally messed up, but whatever, we're going to ignore it and we're going to go on, right? So I'm always looking for good deals. We knew we wanted a good set, and we know we want to be able to add to if we want to at a later time. So these also had individuals. It's a Rockland set. I liked it online. It has some bright color, but it still has hard shell, which is the thing. And for me, the spinner wheels. We'll talk about it, we'll look at it, we'll see what they say after I get it unboxed. So for now, Rockland. I don't know what else to tell you about it besides, let's see. So, I don't know what they did to this package, y'all. It is rough. Rough. Go Amazon for trying that. Sorry. Okay, yay. Well, gonna pull this down. Oh God. The struggle, y'all. The struggle is real. Okay. Here we have it. It's pretty. Pretty. Okay, I'm okay with it. So the box looked horrible. So I was really scared that this would not be good. But it is. There you go. That's that. When we went to Vegas last time, one thing that we noticed was that as much as you travel, you know, move from casino to casino or even going through the casino, the wheels are important. And so we have been on the look for it since. I'll just show you this. Hopefully you can see my guide here. I got my phone connected to my camera, and my camera shut this down, so we're gonna see if you guys can see that. Rockland, $200. Now, don't think your girl paid $200 for that, because I didn't. I'm always finding something, a better deal, whatever, so let's open it up and see what we got. Another thing is I looked for something that had expandable, and I think this has all 3 expandable, but we'll see. Ooh, that was loud. Oh, it's gonna be like an unwrapping game. So that piece would have been $200. This one's $150. Put it all in this box. It'll be fun, they say. That's a lot of space. It really is. Definitely good. I like. This is the inside. It's huge. It's nice. This piece is expandable for sure. I'm just gonna kind of do this. Okay, but I want you to see how easy that turns, y'all. That is great. Great, great, great. Then we have this one. So it came with a set of 3. It's a 28 inch, a 24 inch, and then inside here is the other one. How cute is that? How cute is that? Oh, they get lighter, that's for sure. But the important piece to me, these wheels, and I'm going to use this little one in just a second to show you. Another one, really decent size. I don't know what this is. Oh, they send you a little lock. Adorable, adorable. And they had one in the big one too, but I didn't know what it was. They are a good hard shell too. That's amazing. I don't know what it'd be, but I don't know that I care for this plastic. But it works good. That's really all that matters. And then the baby. The baby one. So all 3 came with their own little block. They're all good size. They've got a lot of room. I personally like the color. I'm kind of weird with that. I wanted something dark enough to where it couldn't get scuffed too bad if we went on the airport or whatever. The airplane. But yet, had color, and it worked. It did both. It has little bumpers too, that's nice. So, same concept. Nice. Spins well. That's what we wanted. So, there is such a difference in luggage today than there was 5, 10, 15 years ago, okay? Definitely 30 years ago, whatever. What I found in all the reviews of looking for luggage is that these wheels are important. You want to make sure that you're getting a 360 turn. As you see, definitely a 360 turn. It is a smooth, no matter which way you roll it. Probably would be better if I was on the ground. But you can see you can take it sideways and roll it. You can take it front ways. It goes backwards. They're empty, so ignore that little tip. That's me, not this. But that's what I wanted. I wanted something that we could get through easily if we had to. Now, y'all know we will be doing the bellhop from now on, because we talked about that in the previous video. But when they throw this on their rack, I also don't have to worry about it breaking or anything like that. On our last trip, on this little part right here, it's a cloth, saw-sided is what we used to have. And when we went on the trip, somewhere how down at the bottom of that, it got broke. So now the leg of it, the wheels on it are just messed up. So that's probably also why it was important that we get something different, because I want to be able to not worry about breakage. I don't want to take a broken luggage. So yeah, I think there's a lot that I was looking for. I wanted hard-sided. I wanted a dark color for the base. I want a color here. Now, here's what will surprise you. So I said $200 for the big one. This one was $150. This one would be $130, okay? I paid $135 plus tax for all. It's a Rockland brand. Never used it, never anything, just looked at some reviews. I'm gonna link it below in the actual video so that you can see directly where I got it on Amazon. It is an affiliate link, so if you click on it, it'll take you right to this. You can order right from there if you want. When we get back from Vegas, if there's anything bad, I'll come back and re-edit this review, actually make a new one and say, don't get it. If there is no complaints, I probably won't say anything because that means it's great. But as far as feel, look, design, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10, would recommend. So there you have it. If you guys get a chance, go ahead and grab some if you're needing luggage. Again, the 3-pack combo. And there you have it. Hoping you guys can see that. And again, if you're in search for luggage, definitely so far for cosmetics, features, functions, definitely would recommend this. So again, I will put the link below if you guys are looking. If you wait until we get back from our trip to order, you can do that, but I'll come back and do a follow-up on it. So thank you guys for watching. I know this is kind of not what you guys have had in a while from us, but I wanted to get a video up, and these happen to come in at opportune time. And voila, we're getting closer to going to Vegas. We head out 2 weeks from today is what I told William. So in 2 weeks from today, we will be on our way to Laughlin, because we're going to be heading to Laughlin on the 25th. We'll stay at Laughlin overnight, and then from Laughlin, we will take off and head up to Vegas and be there the 26th and leave on, I believe it's the 3rd. It's the Sunday the 3rd, because my birthday's on the 1st. We're staying that night, and then we're staying one more night. So I think we'll come home on the 3rd. So yeah, just wanted guys to share with you, let you know what I thought, let you know what I've reviewed. I've been looking at them since we, not just this brand, but every brand, since we came back from Vegas, and I finally settled on these, and this is what you get. So hope this helps you guys. Again, there will be a link below. Click it, takes you right to the Amazon link. Grab it from there, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you're having a good weekend, and thank you for subscribing. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll get you next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.